7 crazy facts about human body you should know in your life. Let's start the video. Number 7. Your body makes you sneeze when it senses something in your nose that shouldn't be there. This can include bacteria, dirt, dust, mold, pollen, or smoke. Your nose might feel ticklish or uncomfortable, and shortly after, you will sneeze. Sneezes also perform another vital role in the body. In 2012, researchers from the University of Pennsylvania discovered that sneezing is the nose's natural way to reset. The study found that cilia, the cells that line the tissue inside the nose, are rebooted with a sneeze. In other words, a sneeze resets the entire nasal environment. Number 6. Many living creatures, including fireflies, jellyfish, squid, glowworms, and deep-sea fish, are known for producing their own light, often through the help of bacterial accomplices. But the fact is that all living things emit some degree of light. It has low intensity, that's why it's very hard to detect. According to a study conducted in 2009 by Japanese researchers, the human body glows and, emitting a visible light in extremely small quantities at levels that rise and fall with the day. We can't see it because the intensity of the light emitted by the body is 1,000 times lower than the sensitivity of our naked eyes. Number 5. According to researcher David Zhang, the top of our has a unique geometric shape and physiological texture that could potentially be used for verification purposes. Biometric authentication is an important process for the identification and verification of individuals for security purposes. Tongue print is a new biometric authentication tool that is unique and cannot be easily forged because no two tongue prints are similar. The tongue covered with pink, moist tissue called mucosa. It also has tiny finer-like bumps called papillae. These give your tongue a rough and unique pattern. Number 4. According to a new study, shark teeth and human teeth are quite similar. Like humans, sharks lose their teeth as well. We lose our first 20 teeth while we are young and then are limited to the same 32 teeth for the rest of our lives. Some sharks can shed approximately 35,000 teeth in a lifetime. Sharks and humans alike have enamel on their teeth that serve to make the teeth as hard as they are. Human teeth have enamel on the outside, which is exactly as hard as this enameloid on the outside of sharks' teeth. The chemical and crystallographic composition of the teeth in the different sharks is similar, and our teeth are most like that of a tiger shark. Number 3. Lungs are the organs that form the respiratory system. The work of the respiratory system of the body is to extract oxygen from the atmosphere and transfer it to the bloodstream. The primary function of the lungs is to breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. The left lung is located on the left bottom of the heart, and the right lung is located on the right side. The lungs are not equal in sizes. The right lung is shorter, because the liver sits high, but it is broader than the left one, and the left lung is smaller in size because of the space taken up by the heart. Number 2. It may be difficult to imagine when looking at a tiny newborn baby, but that infant has around 300 bones, and those bones are growing and changing shape every day. On the other hand, adults have 206 bones, which make up about 15% of their body weight. Babies have more bones than adults because as they grow up, some of the bones fuse together to form one bone. This is because babies have more cartilage than bone. Cartilage is a strong, flexible connective tissue that protects your joints and bones. A baby's skeleton is mostly made up of cartilage. As a person grows up, most of this cartilage turns into bone. Number 1. You probably don't know that there are more or less 3 centimeters of difference between our height in the morning and our height in the evening after a long work day. On the average, we are about 1 centimeter taller than during the day. In the evening happens the opposite. You don't feel taller in the morning after waking from a good night's sleep, but you've actually grown. This due to gravity compressing on the vertebrae or spine in our backs as we stand up or sit down during the day. While we are laying down in resting position, the spine is said to decompress, hence the person is taller after lying in bed all night. Astronauts coming back from outer space are a few inches taller than their normal height on Earth, because there is very weak gravitational forces in outer space, thus there is no compression on the spine, but when they are on Earth again, gravity will gradually return them to their normal height. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. Tell me your feedback in comments.